How to use Discord forums channel feature. To use the Discord forum channel feature, your server must first have community enabled. So what you want to do is you want to head into your server and you want to make sure that you have community enabled. You can do it through the settings, right? Once you have done so, what you want to do next is hover over a category in your channel list and you can click the plus sign and you can proceed to select the forum option. You should be able to find the forum option. So head into message server here, head into service settings, and once you head into service settings, what you want to do is you want to find the community option and you can see enable community. You want to proceed to enable community. So once you have enabled community, you can proceed to head over to select the plus icon as I've showed earlier and then select forum as the channel type. You can enter a clear name like support or sessions and click create channel, and it's pretty simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave your comments down below if you have any further issues as well.